Yeah, a funnel system. Okay, I think it is something that you need to look at, especially if you're not going to do video like I'm doing, or maybe just walking around the park. A lot of people just do selfie videos on their cell phone. Okay, you can do it this way or this way. It's up to you. But nonetheless, to produce a video like this sometimes is awkward for people where turn on your webcam and chat. Okay, maybe you don't like your appearance, your voice. You think you look tired or fat or bald. Do what I do. Wear glasses and a hat. And if you're fat, just do your videos down like this. Okay. But anyway, I love doing video. But if you don't worry about it. You can be super successful with Save Club. You just got to give people a link so they can watch a video or videos. Okay. Let the videos do all the recruiting, training, what the product is and all that stuff. Okay. That's the beauty of 2025. Most people, they just want to see a recorded Zoom meeting. They want to see a recording of training. Okay. It's like streaming with, let's say, Netflix. You don't have time to watch that live show at 8 o'clock at night like the old days. Maybe we watch the Super Bowl and some things live, but right now it's all about, okay, I'm done. It's 9:30. Kids are in bed. Everything's done for the night. I'm going to sit and watch my favorite show, and you just click. Okay, and you watch. And then if you have to take a pee, you just pause, go take a pee, come back. Me, I have to always take a pee every hour, it seems like, the older I get. But anyway, I love training and funnel systems to where you can just relax and watch and train and learn and recruit, especially when I can pass the buck to videos already made. Okay. Like I said, I enjoy doing live video. I enjoy doing recorded things just like this, talking to my webcam. Okay. But I'm going to show you the brand new funnel system that debuted. Okay. It's only about 12 hours old. And right now I've already got about 15 people pre-enrolled. Okay. It normally takes me a couple days to get that many. All right, so here it is, guys. People join people. I bought this, and I've been letting it sit, and I love it. I think it's a great name, or a domain name, and I'm a big fan of people join people. I've had thousands of people join my businesses over the last 2 years. All right, I've had 400 and something just in Live Good, and I've had another, God, easily 4, 5, 600 in my other companies as well. So I've learned a lot out of those 1,000 people that have climbed aboard my cruise ship. Okay. They're like, hey, you know what? You seem like a people person. All right. I think I know you kind of through your videos. I kind of like you, I think. And I trust you because right now you're doing thousands of videos. Thousands. I don't do one here, one there. Guys, if I could do 5 to 10 a day, I do. But I'm not looking to retire. I'm not looking for extra time to go screwing off and doing things. I've already done that. Guys, I'm almost 60. I love working. And when things are working and people are signing up and I feel like I'm earning money, not making money, I feel like I'm earning it. Big difference mentally. Obviously, it's great to make money. Get your money so you can pay your bills. But when you earn it, it feels like you're giving value to you, to people. All right. It just, trust me, if you're a younger person and you're like, oh man, I'm about the Benjamins. I just got to make money. All right. When you get older, you want to feel valuable. Believe me, because I'm at retirement age. I want to feel like I'm still valuable and I'm bringing value to you folks. Okay. Right now for $25, I'm going to bring you the brand new funnel system for Save Club. Okay. If you're going to do paid traffic or any type of stuff like that, you have to have a funnel or you will get kicked out of Save Club. You can't put direct traffic into their funnel system because it'll clog their servers if it's all spam and crap. With our new funnel, it bounces out any bots because you have to go through a process to get to Save Club. So it protects Save Club servers and it saves you a lot of time dealing with fake stuff. All right. And besides the funnel system, it goes into more detail. It explains Save Club on your behalf better. Okay. And it really does, guys. Okay. So people join people. All right. It's almost a tongue twister. Okay. I just want you to go through the motions. It's well done. And like I said, it just barely came out. So peoplejoinpeople.com. Go to this little capture page here. And guys, when you join for $25, realize you can change any of these pictures and all this stuff, but leave it alone. It's already been tested and it's working. So I advise that if you do join, please just fill in the blanks, hit some, you got to set it up a little bit. It takes about 5 minutes. You just got to put in your Save Club affiliate link and save it. And that's about it. The website's already built. The funnel system's already built. Okay. I'm going to put in letsallrock@gmail.com. Okay. Here's the video that's about 20 minutes that, in my opinion, it even over explains Save Club. It has graphics, charts, pay plan. It just explains everything, because I don't want you to do that if you don't know what you're doing, or if you feel like it's a hassle, because sometimes you can over explain an opportunity and you give people a headache and they zone out and they definitely don't want to join. Most people do not want to talk about this live. There is no more conference calls. People do not want to text about it or talk on the phone about it. Everything now is 2025-ish. It's short videos. In this case, it's 20 minutes. Get yourself a beverage and watch this video. It is well done. Okay? You watch it on your own time. I'm going to make this video less than 20 minutes. So just press play and watch the video. It's really well done. If you want to join Save Club after, there it is right there. And if you want this new funnel system, okay, number 1, join Save Club. Number 2, click that little red button right there. Okay, isn't that awesome? And then you can see the rest of the page. You know, there's some graphics there, some little pictures to look at. Okay, join Save Club. Now look, when I press that, see, this goes directly into the Power Line landing page. See, Cory Draper's website. You can watch a 6-minute video of our founder. It's well done. I've already signed up well over 70 people just on this page alone. And if you want to join, just fill out this little contact information, hit that orange button. Okay? It's awesome, guys. So you can see how easy this funnel system is. You just kind of join. And if you want to join and you want the funnel, then just come back to the right side here and click Get This Website. Okay? Get this funnel. It's $25 a month, guys. All right, very affordable. Most funnel systems, believe it or not, are $100 to $200 a month. This company is $25. There's no upsells. You can join other stuff. You can do paid traffic. You do what you're going to do. But this exact funnel system that got me 15, you know, just while I was recording about 2 minutes ago, I have 7 computer monitors in front of me. I just had 2 more pre-enrollees as I was just sitting here chatting with you guys. So right now I'm up to 17 people have pre-enrolled with Save Club already. Okay, going through this funnel system. So watch this video. All right, if you're not going to do video, if you're not going to try to explain Save Club, let this video do it for you. Let the funnel take over. And all you got to do, guys, is once it's set up, and like I said, it only takes a few seconds. All right, 5 minutes, you know. After you set it up, just do what I do. Get like a custom domain. I bought People Join People. And that's how you got to this video. That's all I do. I call GoDaddy for free. They forward People Join People to the funnel capture page, which you'll have. I mean, it's super easy. Just follow the setup video, guys. That's all you got to do. It's so dang easy. All right. So join the funnel. It's only $25 a month. But guess what? This is important. Out of that $25 a month, guys, I earn $20 of that. The company gets the $5. And that I can't thank you enough, because that $20 buys me lunch, dinner, breakfast, buys me Legos or Hot Wheels to put on shelves, okay? It is an affiliate opportunity. So if you get 50 to 100 people, which I think you can do, all right, disclaimer, I can't guarantee anything, but guys, if you get 100 or 200 people in your funnel system and you times that by 20, do you realize you're making a $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 extra dollars a month? This is recurring. With the funnel that is so cheap, $25, you're getting results. And on top of that, I'm making $20 per sign up. So my incentive is obvious. I want you to use the funnel, but I want you to use it if you're going to do paid traffic. I don't want you getting kicked out of Save Club. You're not going to clog up the servers with a bunch of stuff. So if you just buy clicks or leads off some crappy source, it's not going to affect you with Save Club. You're not going to clog their servers. And with this funnel system, you can't break it, guys. Okay, you can't break it. It's one of the best funnel systems on the planet. And it's only $25 and not $200 like the #1 funnel system. And we all probably know what that one is. If you do any affiliate marketing, you know that it gets very expensive when you get into funnels with the word click in it. Okay, that's a little inside little joke. And that funnel system is awesome too. But you know what? It's $100 to $200 a month. This is only $25. Okay, you need to join Save Club. You need to get this funnel system, set it up in 5 minutes, and then get really good at inviting people to the link to your funnel. Let that 20-minute video explain everything in massive detail. Overkill. Not one person is going to watch that 20-minute video and go, gosh, now what is Save Club? No, let the video do everything. And you know what? If you don't understand it, then watch the damn video again. It's your own damn fault. You're probably picking your nose, picking your butt, scratching your skronky, and not paying attention during that 20 minutes. But I've watched that 20-minute video several times, and you know exactly what you want or not want to do after you watch it. You either want to join Save Club, you either don't, or you're on the fence a little bit and you're like, hey, you know what? I'm going to do a little more research. Maybe my budget. I don't have $79.97 right now. But you know what? I'm just going to kind of relax a little bit. And maybe I'll join in a week or two. Okay? Well, don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it. We're just going places. And you're not. You need to join now. If you're watching me right now, it is middle of May. We have about another couple weeks before June 1st, and that is the official launch. We're in pre-launch. It's like pre-lunch. It's like we're eating lunch before everyone else. We're getting the fresh stuff. It's like we're going fishing at 4 in the morning when the whole rest of the world's going at 5 or 6 in the morning. And man, we're going to get all the fish, and man, they're just going to be all yummed out to the max. We got the best worms, the best hooks. We're using 5 fishing poles instead of 1. And by the time it's 6 in the morning, man, we've already caught a ton of fish. That's because we're in the pre-launch mode and we're using a funnel system. If you're shy and you don't want to do video, you need a funnel. If you don't know how to explain opportunities like this and you're a little quirky and a little nervous, don't worry about it. The funnel isn't. Okay? If you need pictures, videos, and content and training, guess what? For that $25, it's included. You're going to join our team, the biggest team in Save Club by far. If you know who is in this team that I'm in, we are dominating. Right now, we probably mop up 75% of all the signups and all the traffic in Save Club right now. Okay, and it's all from good old-fashioned elbow work and learning things from all of us behind the scenes that are putting this together. It's how to make money now, May of 2025. These are not techniques that are 5 or 10 or even a year old. Okay, you got to be real careful how you do things. You got to do them fast. You got to be almost entertaining, captivating, sexy. Okay, you can't be boring now. It's all about attention. You got to do things kind of fast. Okay, and that's okay because we have materials for you. Get our team training, guys. Look at this. You're going to get access for $25 a month. You got the funnel and you get access to our team only training. Guys, this is an invite only, and you're going to have images for social media. You're going to have done for you videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reels, and Stories. Guys, if you're not going to do video, then let us do it for you. Video is 100 times more powerful than a picture now. And you know that. Video, does it tell 100 stories? No, it tells 1,000. Okay, you need video. If you're not going to do what I'm doing, yelling at a webcam, okay? If you're not going to yell at a webcam and laugh and chuckle and, I don't know, sit here in my boxer shorts, then don't worry about it. All right, we're going to have videos for TikTok. They dominate. Facebook, I love it. Instagram, guys, you know, those 3 alone mop up all the attention on planet Earth, don't they? Reels and Stories, okay, they're important too. And you know what? For that $25 a month, you're going to have access to all of that. It's built in. The funnel, $25 a month, and all the stuff that I just highlighted right there, okay? So let me just go back to what we're all going to do at the end of the day. We're just going to get good at inviting people to a link. Once you get this set up, it takes 5 minutes. It's easy as hell. peoplejoinpeople.com. Please look into it for me, okay? I'm very excited. I've already had 17 people pre-enroll. Okay, where normally it takes me 2 or 3 days to get that many people. Okay, so that's it. My work is done. And right now, I'm going to go have me another cup of coffee. Okay, I usually have about 2 or 3 pots of coffee before noon. Everyone's like, where do you get your energy at? How come your blood pressure is like 5,000/20? I don't know. Hold on, I got to go get another cup of coffee. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for your attention and your eyeballs. All right, peoplejoinpeople.com. Peace and love. Save Club, man. It's cool. You're going to dig it. All right. Talk to you later, guys. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, too. Okay. Bye.